Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can combine these filters and color grading combinations to create an awesome video. So here, what you need to do is add your video and head to filter and find the nature category or the scenery. Find the remote filter. Let's try. Where is it? Okay, this one. Click on the adjust now, and for the brightness, lower it to -14, contrast -25, and then saturation increase it to 20, lower the brilliance to -15, then find highlights and lower it to -11, shadow increase it to 22. Now lower the temperature to -16 and the hue -11. Now lastly, add some grain for about 15 and you are done. So let's see the before and after. So this is before the color grading and this is the after. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.